The wildebeest, Connochaetes tyrannus, is one of the lion's most common prey species across the African grasslands. Weighing between 400 and 600 pounds and capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, wildebeests are far from easy to overcome. They often travel in herds of hundreds or even thousands, forming part of the legendary migrations across the Serengeti and Masai Mara. During the hunt, lions rely heavily on timing and terrain. They often wait near rivers, critical points where wildebeests must stop to drink or cross. A successful pursuit demands precise coordination. Yet wildebeests are not quick to surrender. Even when under pressure, many stand their ground, using their curved horns to push back. There have been moments when a wildebeest has turned suddenly, stunning its pursuer and gaining just enough time to break free. This contest is anything but one-sided. Both species rely on instinct, endurance, and determination. For lions, every wildebeest hunt becomes a battle of strategy, where speed, teamwork, and timing must align. For the prey,